everyone, and welcome back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today, we will be learning Lesson 23, the story of King Herod. We are also going to learn words about travel and travel plans. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words together. Are you ready? King. King. A king is the ruler of a country. His wife is called the queen. His son and his daughter are called the prince and princess. King. Quickly. Quickly. She is quickly running away from something that scares her. Quickly. Follow. Follow. To follow means to pay attention or go after something. You can follow the rules. You can also follow a good leader. Follow. Instructions. Instructions. Instructions tell us what to do and how to do it. For example, these are instructions on how to cook noodles. Instructions. Lord. Lord. Lord is another name for Jesus or God. Lord. Above all. Above all. Above all means over everything else. Above is the opposite of below. Above all. Great job, everyone. Now let's learn our power verse together. Are you ready? Psalm chapter 95, verse 3. For the Lord is the great God, the great King above all gods. Let's read it together one more time. Psalm chapter 95, verse 3. For the Lord is the great God, the great King above all gods. Awesome job, everyone. Now let's read My Precious Book together. Are you ready? My Precious Book, page 157. King Herod heard that Jesus was born and wanted to kill Jesus. An angel appeared in Joseph's dreams and told him to run away with Mary and Jesus to Egypt. Joseph quickly followed the angel's instructions. Where are Joseph, Mary, and baby Jesus going in the picture? We can learn 3 important points from our power verse and from our story today. Number 1, the king was scared of Jesus and wanted to kill him. But Jesus is the great King above all kings. Number 2, an angel told Joseph what to do. God will protect us if we listen to him. Number 3, Joseph was quick to obey the angel's instructions. We should be quick to obey God too. Great job, everyone. Now let's learn our new English vocabulary words. Today, we will be learning words about travel. Are you ready? travel, travel. Travel is a verb that means to go to a new place. I want to travel and see many different countries. Travel. Trip, trip. The family is taking a trip to the capital city. Trip. Vacation, vacation. When there is a holiday, we do not have work or school. We can go on vacation. Many people go on vacation and visit the beach. Vacation. Relax, relax. He is relaxing in the sunshine. Relax. Flight, flight. This flight is going to the Philippines. Flight. Board a flight. Board a flight. The woman and her son are boarding the flight to fly to another country. In the airport, you will sometimes hear them say, "The flight is now boarding." That means it's time to get on the airplane. Board a flight. Leave, leave. Leave is the opposite of come. The boy is leaving his house to go to school. Leave. Land, land. The flight is landing. That means the flight has finished its trip and is coming back down to the ground. Land. Delayed, delayed. We are sorry, but the flight has been delayed for 1 hour. Please wait patiently. Delayed. Pick up, pick up. A taxi will pick you up from the airport and take you to your hotel. Pick up. Drop off, drop off. The mother drops her son off at school. Drop off. Tour, tour. This tour will show you all the best places in the city. You can take many pictures on the tour. Tour. Tourist, tourist. The city is crowded with many tourists from different countries. They are on vacation and want to visit our country. Tourists. Suitcase, suitcase. A suitcase is a large bag with a handle that you can use when you travel. Suitcase. Traffic, traffic. When there are many cars and you must drive very slow, we can say there is a lot of traffic. Traffic. Sightseeing. Sightseeing. You can take a tour bus to go sightseeing. When you are sightseeing, you can see all the important and exciting places in a city. Sightseeing. Book. Book. For example, book a hotel. Book a flight. Book a tour. To book something is to call or use the internet so they know that you will come and pay later. You can book a hotel, you can book a flight, and you can book a tour. Book. Recommend. Recommend. To recommend something is to tell someone that it is very good. I recommend you go to this restaurant. The food is very delicious and not too expensive. Recommend. Check in. Check in. To check in is to tell an assistant or worker that you are there. You can check into a hotel when you first arrive to ask for a room and to pay. Check in. Make a phone call. Make a phone call. To book a hotel, you may need to make a phone call to ask if they have a room for you. Make a phone call. Beach. Beach. Beaches are beautiful places for vacations. You can swim in the ocean and relax on the sand. Beach. Zoo. Zoo. You can see many exciting animals at the zoo, such as lions, tigers, and elephants. Zoo. Museums. Museums. Museums are places to see special collections. There are history museums, art museums, and science museums. You can learn many new things at museums. Museums. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. A swimming pool is a beautiful place to relax and swim. If you are not near a beach, you can swim at the swimming pool. Swimming pool. Water park. Water park. A water park has many swimming pools and fun games to play. The water park has a slide you can play on. Water park. Great job, everyone! Now let's learn some English grammar together. Are you ready? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to Indonesia. Where is he going? He is going to China. Where is she going? She is going to the beach. Where are we going? We are going to the swimming pool. Where are they going? They are going to the museum. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? I am going to visit the zoo. What is he going to do? He is going to have a meeting. What is she going to do? She is going to make a phone call. What are we going to do? We are going to the water park. What are they going to do? They are going to board the flight. Great job, everyone! Now let's learn our dialogue together. Lesson 23, Dialogue. Hello, how can I help you? Hello, I would like to book a trip to Sydney, Australia. Sure. When would you like to go? I would like to go for 10 days, from October 1st to October 10th. No problem. There is a flight that leaves at 6 o'clock a.m. on October 1st. The flight is 9 hours, 45 minutes. You will land at 3:45 p.m. Would you like me to book this flight for you? Sure, that sounds great. Can you please recommend a hotel for me in Sydney? Yes, I recommend the City Hotel. It has a swimming pool. It is also very close to the beach. That is perfect. Please book the City Hotel for 9 nights. Sure. I will make a phone call to book the City Hotel for you. There will be a taxi to pick you up at the airport. The taxi will drop you off at your hotel. How far away is the hotel from the airport? The hotel is about 30 minutes away from the airport. If there is traffic, it might be 40 or 45 minutes. Thank you. If you would like to go sightseeing, there is a zoo and a museum 10 minutes away from your hotel. If you would like to relax, you can go to the beach or to the water park. This is my vacation, so I will relax for a few days. Maybe I will take a tour of the city. There are many great tours. To come home, there is a flight on October 10th at 2 o'clock p.m. The flight is 10 hours. Please remember to be at the airport early to check in and board your flight. Thank you so much. No problem. Have a great trip. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your new vocabulary words about travel and vacations. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!